Uh, Hello everyone, welcome back. Today something a little bit different from usual DX video recordings. I have another unboxing of something I've ordered online. It came in early this week, but I've been quite busy, tired from work. So I decided to take a little bit time off on this Sunday the 7th, I think. Yeah, the 7th. Yeah, February 2021. Portugal is in partial lockdown. So yeah, let's get to it. One small hint: it's a receiver. Let's see which one is it. I already tried to cut a few things through, and once I properly unboxing, I'll tell you the reasons why I bought this. All right, let's see. Really nice package. So here it is, the Retekess V115. Small little radio, small footprint, I think. Let's see a few of the features. Okay, so it has AM, FM, and shortwave. Also plays MP3, which I'm not interested. It has manual band scan, alright, manual scanning, 2 bands for the AM. Okay, so radio mic and line in recording, so it can record from radio, from the integrated microphone, and from line in. So this is a major clue on why I did get this radio. So yeah, 1,000 microamp rechargeable lithium battery, which are the same as the good old Nokia phones, I think. So let's proceed to the unboxing. I'm sorry if this flees from. So right from the box, we have a USB charging cable. Yeah, cool. Step this aside. The little Nokia battery. Of course, it's made in China. Nothing wrong with it. But these are really quite the same. Even the coloring as the old Nokia batteries. All right, let's put this here as well. User manual in 5 different languages: English, German, French, Spanish, and Italian. Okay. Sounds all about good. Let's put this here. And no more, no less. Nothing more there. And here's the radio. Yes. Yes, the plastic screen cover, as you can see. There's a plastic here. It's small. It doesn't feel as premium as a Texan receiver, the 310 ET at least. But yeah, it's sturdy. The materials are pretty cool. Yeah, buttons are a bit wobbly, but meh. Yeah. So it's on the left side doesn't have anything. So there's a little bit of the description of the radio. 3 bands, MP3 recording and player. 3 watts. It can be rechargeable via the USB cable, and that's it. Oh, this here, Mega Bass, I think it's a Sony trademark, or it used to be. It used to, the old Walkmans, some of them used to have the Mega Bass button, so it can get the extra oomph on the bass side of things. On the right side of the radio, we have a micro headphone output. We have a line in. We have a TF card or micro USB card, can't tell for sure, and the USB plug-in. Then we've got the speaker. Here's the microphone, and you know, regular buttons. They do wiggle a bit, but like I've said, not a problem for me. All right. So I've noticed that the antenna doesn't. Check this. Doesn't stay all the way flat and seated. As you can see, there's this, and the tip also turns on itself quite easy. But here's the thing, the most and more expensive Texan PL330 doesn't have this feature, which is to use the included plastic and turn this into a stand. So now you can just listen to music or do some DXing with this radio, although this radio isn't DX oriented. For some reviews I've seen, it doesn't have the enough sensitivity to perform good DXing. Now, the antenna can also be put up like this. So I hope you guys can see this. But yeah, it can go on all the way up to 90 degrees. And yeah, it has a fully functional stand, unlike the 330. I chose to rate that radio because it's really good. It's a really good radio, and it's easy to pick with its faults since it's very complete. But joking aside, let's try and see if we can get this, put it up, counting that this has some charge in it. And then I'll tell you why I chose to get a V115. Let's just try and, is this the one? So, no charge in it. So I guess that's for another video. Let's check. Yeah, placed it good, right? Yeah. So I guess, well, I'll try to find if I can connect this. Turn this on. I'll tell you why a couple of reasons why that I chose to buy the radio. Well, the first reason was because I wanted a cheapish or cheaper radio to have in my office, and I didn't want to bring the 330 on the danger of trashing it. So I was keen to getting an extra radio to have in my office. I saw this Texan which was really good. Can't remember the model. All analog, and it had really nice sensitivity on the on shortwave band. But and then I found this. So hey, here we go. Welcome. Sorry about the jump cut. So why did I chose to get this radio? First reason, I wanted a small, cheap receiver to have it on my office to listen to daytime radio. I was on the lookout for a small Texan all analog. Can't recall the name, the model name, but I then came across with another necessity that I had, which was to record radio. If these days you want to record radio transmissions and have and listen or monitor at the same time, you simply can't on the cheaper models, on most models at least, because here's the Texan 310 ET. You only have one output. So if you connect this output to a recording system, you can't monitor unless your recording system has headphones, an headphone output. So this was actually the main reason, because I wanted to record shortwave and long wave, medium wave receptions, to create an archive of sorts. And I can actually do that with this one, and still record videos, which was the most important, because I could simply use one of these that a friend of mine lent to me. It's an Olympus voice recording. It has an output and an input as well. So the idea was to plug the radio, the 310 ET or another radio, to the mic, and then this to an headphone jack or an external speaker. But I don't have an external speaker, so I can't really monitor with an external speaker, and I wasn't quite interested in that. So the idea is to record FM directly from the Retekess, but to connect the radio to the Retekess, and yeah, then I can make some videos for you guys, and still make the audio only recordings to my own personal archive, because I wasn't in the mood to use cassette recordings. So the videos are a bit longer, so let's just try or retry to hook this up. Long press. And it's pretty cool. So it's antenna 1, 94, 4, and it's antenna 2. My favorite station, actually. And yeah, sounds quite good, doesn't it? And that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I really hope you guys did understood the reasons why I bought the Retekess. So in order to record FM, I'll record it directly from here, but shortwave, medium wave, and long wave transmissions, I'll hook it up with one of these from here to the Texan PL330. That way I can record the radio transmission and still monitor via the Retekess speaker, hopefully, fingers crossed. And also, it will sit pretty good on my desk back at the office, right? So see you on the next one. Stay safe and have fun, kids. Bye.